Hi, I'm Peter from Total Bathrooms, and today we're starting a new series which is about the most frequently asked questions that customers give us. We're calling it Total Answers. Today I get asked all the time about limescale. What can I do about hard water? Because in the area that we're in, Bath, the water is very hard. Right, there are a couple of aspects to this question. One is, what can I do to clean the limescale off my lovely looking taps and showers and screens? And the other is, what can I do to prevent limescale from coming through and getting on them in the first place? So I'll deal with the cleaning issue first. There's a really simple cleaning agent. You don't need any expensive cleaning agent. 1 part vinegar, 1 part water, and you spray it on the bits that commonly limescale builds up, and you let it sit there, and then you come back and gently wipe it off and clean it off with warm soapy water. Now, if you do that regularly, the limescale doesn't have a chance to build up, and you will keep them nice and shiny and new. If you leave that for a long period of time and the limescale builds up, it's going to be a lot more tricky, and you're going to have to do potentially a little bit of scrubbing. And when you scrub around nice surfaces like chrome, you tend to scratch them. And then that makes it easier for limescale to sit on and to build up again. So the key thing here is to regularly clean the limescale before it becomes an issue. So that's easy, vinegar and water, nice and simple. The second thing is, what can you do to prevent limescale from actually building up in the first place? Well, here there's a little bit more expense and a little bit more complication. You can use different types of water softeners. Now, some of them involve salt, and I'll explain that in a second, and some of them don't. If I look at the ones that don't involve salt, which involves altering the chemical state of the limescale, so it still travels through your system but doesn't bond to itself, those are okay. And they do a job, but they don't prevent the limescale from ending up out on the stuff, the cubicles, the taps, the showers. The one that really makes a difference is the one that removes the limescale, and that is a water softener that uses salt to clean a resin bed that acts as a filter. The salt isn't the thing that cleans or removes the limescale, it's the resin bed. And then the salt is used to scour or clean the resin bed, a filter at a later date, usually during the night when you're asleep. So we would recommend, if you can fit it in and you can afford the cost, a water softener to prevent that from happening. And if you can't, then obviously you need to make sure you up your cleaning regime to get that vinegar and water out and keep your taps and your showers nice and gleaming clean. So that's Peter from Total Bathrooms coming to you with another Total Answer.